Hey CC Squad, today's CC Squad day, but today I wanted to make a video on how to create a board game. I'm actually not entirely finished with it yet, but I am going to show you what you need. So first, you need to make the directions, just to, plan out how you want to make your game. So, you first create the objective, and then you do the starting off, how to start off in the game, and then what all of the spaces mean. So after that, based off of the directions, you can start making your board. So I would recommend making the squares first and then fill them in with actions later. And then you can make the action cards and money. So my money is $25, $50, and $100. So see, I have them all tied up and stuff right now because they kind of get everywhere. So you can just use lined paper for this, and yeah. So then you can place all of your action cards down like this. So you have your whole board right here. And then you're going to need a shoebox. Oh, and for the board, I would recommend using 2 sheets of legal paper. Hold on, let me show you guys the back. And I just did the birthday card, so those aren't. Okay. So I just used 2 sheets of legal paper, and then I taped the backs together. So now in the shoebox, which is going to be their box, it can fold up, and that's good, like that. So now you can play this on your family game nights. And yep, I kind of based this off of Monopoly, like Monopoly Junior from the action spaces and stuff, and the Go to Jail. I based that off of Monopoly. And I also based it off of this one game that I have. It's called Eve. It's really cool. There's a board game inside of the box. Like, it says Eve on the outside, but it's actually Danger Game is what it's called. So, yeah. And then I also based it off of the game Life. See, there's a college spot. And I also kind of copied, whenever you land on a blue space, the people who went to college collect a certain amount of money. But the one thing that I did, one of the things that I didn't copy, a cool thing that I added in is late college. So if you decided not to go to college in the beginning, you can still go to college later. It just costs more money. And then when you land on a certain space, you have to pay someone a certain amount of money. Yep. So this is my board game. Comment down below if you make a board game based off of mine or another game or anything like that. And I just want to wish you guys all a very happy CC Squad day. Enjoy your day off of school. And like, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, CC Squad.